Hello everyone, so today I'm going to show you the simplest spot welder that you can make at home. So here I have attached a step-up buck converter in series to a super capacitor, which is around 2200 microfarads or 2.2 farads. I have attached a diode here. So this is very important to prevent the backflow of current. So next I have attached two probes in the output and a push button. So then from the negative probe I have hooked up a clamp to this aluminum foil, and we are going to test the capability of it. So let me charge it first. So now it is fully charged. Let's see. You can see it clearly. I made a hole through it. So yeah, it can spot weld, but it would be better if it is the capacitor is of higher capacitance, so it will spot weld better. Thank you.